It stands on its own in that. It's a true example of a craftsman, a recognized, important craftsman. We all are very lucky, and Sonoma County's very lucky, that he got to build it then, because you can be quite sure no one would allow him to build that house today.
I don't have as much time as I'd like, but I hope to do more later. I'm very excited about a new material that they've acquired, and I just can't wait to get out there to do something with it.
He is of a generation that if they didn't have it, they made it. And if it didn't work, they would make it work. And if it was broken, they would fix it. This is something I hope that he has given to all of us who have known him, and anyone who will ever meet him, through the legacy that he has left to us.